Welcome to my YouTube channel Drive Discover the Future of Automotive Innovation. Today, we dive into the stunning world of the 2025 Biome Car, a vehicle that's not just designed for the road, but for the world around it. With groundbreaking features, sustainable performance, and a design philosophy rooted in nature, the Biome Car is a revolution in motion. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car the game changer we've all been waiting for. The Biome Car's design is truly one of its most unique selling points. Inspired by natural forms, the vehicle boasts a smooth, organic silhouette that stands out from traditional automotive designs. But it's not just about aesthetics. The entire body is made from bioengineered, lightweight materials. These materials are grown, not manufactured, meaning the Biome Car is constructed from fully sustainable sources, leaving virtually no environmental footprint. The exterior is made from a revolutionary material called biofiber. This plant-based substance is as strong as traditional metals but is 100% biodegradable. That's right, this car doesn't just work with the environment, it becomes part of it. When the car reaches the end of its life cycle, it can decompose naturally, leaving no waste behind. Now that's the future of sustainability. Step inside the Biome, and you'll find an interior that's just as forward-thinking as the exterior. Every surface, control, and display is designed with user experience in mind. The dashboard is a single, seamless OLED touchscreen, allowing drivers to control everything from navigation to entertainment with just a tap or a voice command. Navigate to Central Park, and just like that, the car plots your course using real-time data. The user interface is simple, intuitive, and adaptable, providing a seamless connection between you and the vehicle. The Biome Car is more than just transportation, it's an extension of your digital life. And just like the exterior, the interior of the Biome Car is made from sustainable, eco-friendly materials. The seats are crafted from a vegan leather alternative derived from plant fibers, providing luxury without compromise. It's not only good for the planet, but also offers an incredibly soft and comfortable ride. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Biome Car might be green, but it's anything but slow. Powered by an advanced biofuel engine combined with electric propulsion, the Biome delivers an impressive 400 horsepower, ensuring you have all the power you need to tackle any road. The combination of biofuel and electric power gives it a zero-emissions driving experience, while still providing high performance. Thanks to its ultra-lightweight construction, the Biome can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. But it's not just about speed, it's also about efficiency. With its hybrid powertrain, the car can deliver up to 500 miles of range on a single charge and biofuel tank. And when driving in pure electric mode, you can glide through city streets with zero emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a greener planet. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Biome Car is at the forefront. It comes equipped with an advanced autonomous driving system that provides hands-free driving in most conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through congested city streets, the car's autopilot feature ensures a smooth and safe ride, using an array of sensors, cameras, and AI-powered algorithms to keep you on track. The car is also fitted with adaptive safety features, including 360-degree collision detection, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian recognition systems. These cutting-edge safety technologies are designed to prevent accidents before they happen, giving drivers and passengers peace of mind on every journey. When it comes to recharging, the Biome Car truly shines. Unlike traditional electric cars that rely solely on charging stations, the Biome can draw power from renewable biofuel sources or charge its electric battery at any EV charging station. But the real innovation lies in its solar roof. Yes, the entire roof is a solar panel that can passively recharge the battery while you're driving or parked. With this solar roof, you're constantly regenerating energy, reducing the need for frequent stops to charge. Imagine going on long road trips without worrying about running out of power. Just park the car in the sun and let nature take care of the rest. It's the perfect blend of technology and environmental harmony. But the Biome Car is more than just a technical marvel, it's a symbol of where we're headed as a society. With the world moving towards greener, more sustainable solutions, the Biome is leading the charge in combining luxury, performance, and eco-consciousness in one elegant package. It's not just about going from point A to point B, it's about doing so in a way that leaves a positive impact on the planet. The Biome Car is also fully connected to your smart devices. With the Biome app, you can control every aspect of your car remotely, whether it's adjusting the climate control, checking your battery status, or even finding your car in a busy parking lot. The app also provides predictive maintenance alerts, so you'll always know when your car needs a tune-up. It's convenience and connectivity at your fingertips. The 2025 Biome Car isn't just the car of tomorrow, it's the car of today. Combining eco-friendly materials, innovative performance, cutting-edge technology, and a commitment to sustainability, it's paving the way for a greener, more responsible future. So whether you're an eco-conscious driver or simply looking for a luxury car that offers more, the Biome is the perfect fit. This is more than a car, it's a movement toward a better world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest in automotive innovation. See you next time.